Does anyone hate that you just get like lip gloss on everything and anything? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Please stay and subscribe, join the family, it would mean everything to me. Today's video is going to be a Primark haul. I went to town just randomly, just to have a wander around, and I popped into Primark just to see what they had. I hadn't been there in a little while, and I was really surprised. There was so much stuff in the sale in Primark. Like, Primark is cheap enough as it is, and then they had sale. There were things that were like £10 down to 5, or like £5 down to 2, and I didn't do a massive shop because I'm not in need of a lot of things, but there was a few things I just couldn't say no to and that I hadn't seen before, so I thought I would sit down and show you what I bought. So if you do want to see what is in Primark at the moment and what you can grab in the sale, please keep on watching. Okay, so I think I'm going to start off with the bargain of my trip, which is this leopard print coat. You might have seen, if you follow me on Instagram, if you don't you should, my Instagram is fern with 2 N's Roberts. I will leave it on the screen somewhere, or the link will be in the description. Make sure you follow me on Instagram though, because I post every day. But I have this in just like a brown, grey, white fur with no pattern on it, and it is gorgeous, and I think I paid like £25–30 for it. And then I saw this one, and they're so soft. Like, for Primark it is good quality, it is really soft. It's just like a slightly cropped, can't really see, probably comes down to your waist, just simple leopard print faux fur jacket, plain on the back too. Oh yeah, I got this in a 10, and it was supposed to be £25, so that's how much I paid for my other one. So this was supposed to be £25. Guess how much it was down to? £10. It's a sale sticker for £10, down from 25. I couldn't leave it there for that price. I was like, do I need it? I've got like 3 fur coats, jackets already. I was like, I don't have a leopard print one, and it's £10. So I picked this up. As I said, I got it in a 10. My other one's a 12, and that was too big, so I picked up the 10, and it fits perfectly. I think it's gorgeous. So if you pop down to your Primark anytime soon in the next couple of days, keep an eye out for these because they might be in sale. The next thing I got was also something that was in the sale, and I've seen a couple of these style jumpers going around. I'm not sure if like Pretty Little Thing or Misguided do similar things. I've seen them in a different Primark, but they had like really big sizes and I didn't want them too oversized. But I saw this jumper and I was like, I need you. I looked at the label and it was in the sale, so I was like, I really need you. It's this cream fluffy sheep style cropped jumper hoodie thing. It is so soft. I got this in a medium, which is 10 to 12. I'm like an 8 to 10, but obviously I like things to be a little bit baggy and oversized. But it's that sheep, it's obviously not sheep wool, but that kind of effect on the outside, and then on the inside it's more of like just a textured soft fabric, so you don't obviously have all this on the inside, because I don't think I'd like it as much if it was on the inside. It'd be a bit too warm. But it's got the drawstrings here, it's got a cute little hood. As I said, it is cropped, the sleeves are quite big, and I just thought it was so cute. And the best part about it, £5. Originally £10, down to 5. You just can't go wrong, can you? So I could not leave that there. I'm really excited to wear this, as it is still freezing cold in the UK right now. Where I live, it is numbing. The next couple of bits are underwear, but again, these were all in the sale. I don't really buy a lot of underwear from Primark. I tend to wear like Calvin Klein or Victoria's Secret. I have a few like just pairs of thongs from Primark, but most of my underwear is a bit more expensive just because I'm either bought it for birthdays, Christmas, or I like to just treat myself. But Primark do have some really nice stuff, and the bits that I found I did try on in the changing rooms, like the bra parts of them, and they're not uncomfortable, they're not itchy, they fit nicely, and I just thought they were really cute. The first thing I got is a bralette. It's part of the Secret Possessions collection thing. It looks like this, very lacy, and it's got like a paisley flowery pattern on it, and it's like a silk material, which I think is stunning, and it's just lace around the back and does up there. The straps are adjustable, which I think is amazing. Adjustable straps everyone needs in their life, and I just thought it was really, really cute. The second bralette that I got, I have been eyeing up for months, to be honest. Every time I go into Primark and I look at the underwear section, I see these bralettes and I just think they're so cute. But for the whole set, it was like, do I really want to spend that money? Do I need it? I've got enough underwear. But it had gone down in the sale and I could not say no. If you're a girl and you like Primark, you've probably seen these. They are the most adorable bralettes. I am absolutely obsessed. So it's kind of like a mesh material, and then like the lace embroidered flowers, are they? Flowers, leaves, obviously that cover up your nipple area. I did try it on and I don't have the biggest boobs, and I'm happy with it. I've got quite small boobs, but bralettes for us small boobed girls, they just look so cute and dainty, and I love it. And again, this was £3 down from £8. Unbelievable. And I love it. I did get this one in a medium because I wanted to see the difference in the sizes, and this one fits fine as well. I could probably wear it on like the first or the middle clasp, whereas with the small I'd rather wear it on the last clasp. So I'm, I can fit into both sizes, which I'm happy with. So yeah, I picked this up in a medium, and this one was £3 also. The last underwear bit I got was probably the best bargain of all, and it is this little set. How cute. I don't wear a lot of red. Red's quite sexy. So it is this, again, lacy bralette. This one's a bit more sheer, but it's not as if you're going to be wearing this like out of the house on its own. I just think it's really, really cute. It's like a thong type underwear part. This, for the whole set now, really? This was originally £5. For the set, it was £5. In the sale, for the set, it was £1. £1. £1. How could you say no? And it's so cute. So hopefully this fits and the bottoms fit me, but bargain. This may as well just be a Primark sale haul. The last couple of bits that I picked up are beauty makeup bits. The first thing that I got is this PS Get Lippy Gloss Collection, High Shine Lip Gloss and Lip Liner. This was £3 for the lip gloss and the lip liner, which I think, is pretty good. I'll do a swatch for you now, because I haven't seen what this looks like myself. So it comes obviously in the plastic packaging, typical thing. It looks like this in the tube. It looks like a more dark brown. I mean, for a gloss, you really can't go wrong. Like £3. That is the colour. I think it is stunning. It's definitely like a deeper brown, which I don't really have. I tend to have more like pinky lighter nudes, but that looks absolutely gorgeous. And I will swatch the lip liner next to it. The formula is really creamy. They're obviously the same colour next to them. I think they look really, really nice, and I can't wait to try these and let you know what I think. The next thing I got was like the last thing that I actually picked up on my way to the till. I don't really know why I picked it up. I don't even know what it is, to be honest. I saw the colour of it and it said Lip Fix Workout Matte Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and it was in the sale from £2 down to £1. It's in the shade Photo Finish, I think. It's very pigmented. The colour's actually really nice. I'm just really confused about the formula. You can't see in there, but it's just like runny, like watery in a way. But that is the colour next to those two. I'm really excited to try those three and see how they last, because for £3 for a lip liner and a lip gloss, £1 for a liquid lipstick, I'm intrigued. And the very last two things that I picked up were these brushes that were also on sale. These are the PS Pro blending brushes. I got them in two sizes. The bigger one, this one, they're like the oval brushes. I've never tried these brushes. This bigger one here was £4 down to £2, and this slightly smaller one was £3 down to £1. So I thought I'd pick these two up and see if they were any good at blending in foundation, concealer, cream contour. This is like really, really soft, and I can imagine it being like really nice for foundation. I think they did a bigger one than this. I'm not too sure. I didn't see one though. This is really soft, but the neck of this brush is really flimsy. So you press down, I feel like that would break quite easily. I'm quite impressed with everything, to be honest. For the price that they were, I mean, you can't go wrong. Like, the underwear was so cheap, like the jumper and the jacket, I mean, £10, £5, £1 for a liquid lipstick, brushes, £1. You need to get down to your local Primark ASAP and see what they've got in the sale. I'm assuming that most Primarks have got a sale on at the moment. I don't think it would just be the Primark by me. But go and check it out because I found some really great stuff. So that is pretty much everything that I picked up from Primark. If you did enjoy this video, please smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below telling me what you liked out of what I got, or let me know if you found anything in the sale, what you got and what I should check out. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. It would really mean a lot to me. I'm really enjoying making videos. I'm trying to keep up with it, and I hope you guys are enjoying it too. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.